this new European Bauhaus idea, it's practically not so new, but we recovered it and we found that the Bauhaus, it brings together, in the short form, culture and emotions, all issues of life, architecture, technique, work, arts, whatever you want, social, whatever, and to have this as an idea, as a basic value to develop Europe. My name is Norbert Bekman Dirkes. I'm the director of the Konrad Adenauer Foundation in Belgrade. I'm covering Serbia and Montenegro, and I'm very, very happy that I can really organize and do this job. It's in one of the most interesting and beautiful areas of Europe. Whole idea, all over ideas, we have firstly to talk to each other and to more or less destroy these different circles. So now you have people who are talking in terms of culture. Then you have people who are talking in terms of technique, of industry, of work. Putting this together, bring spaces, organize spaces that they can exchange, and then you will develop a lot of ideas for this idea of the new European Bauhaus.